Today we're going to be making template number 3, so let's get started. So the materials we'll be needing is the hot glue gun and something solid like this. It's like my bone folder. You can use either a butter knife or anything similar to it. The templates, it's for the smaller ones you need 12. For the larger ones you'll need 6 and 2 T-looking buttons. So for this step, we need to curl the templates. Try not to bend your paper. If you don't like how it's looking, just use your fingers. And you repeat the step on all the petals, including the buds. So this is how your petals should look once they're curled onto the bud. I like to fold them to make it easier to grab them. And then all you need to do is find how big of a center you want over here, if you want it smaller, if you want it bigger. Once you find how you would want them, fold this a little bit and add the glue. Be careful, this is really hot. Make sure it's straight. And then you just continue the process. Try to always leave a gap. Over here, you just leave that little gap in between. And then onto this one. Put it in the center. And then just continue. Again, to make it easier, once you place it where you would like it, just fold the little ends and add the glue. So this is how the bud should be looking. And now the next step is taking the other petals and you bend up here the little tail. I already bended these, and then you just start gluing it. Keep in mind this flower has the petals extra large for the bud, so that's how the look is going to look at the end. The final look will be. Again, you just use your fingers to give it shape, and where your fingers are at the bottom, that's where you will add the glue. You can always shape the flower or the petal to your liking, and then you add the glue whenever you're satisfied on how it's looking. Then you'll just repeat the same process throughout the flower. Use your fingers to shape the flower. Never do too much force at the bottom, so I won't start going in, meaning this will start happening. So just always do it gentle. So if you're having this issue like I am, I put a little bit of glue here and it didn't stick. Just remember to try to put enough and to hold it in the position for a good while. That way it won't happen. And if you feel like your flower is sinking in, don't worry, just push it inwards. And you still have a beautiful flower at the end. So the steps are the same all throughout the flower. Just continue the same pattern with the small templates and the medium and the large. In this case, it's just a medium and a large. Continue it all throughout the flower. So this is how your flower should be looking. Messy. I've only put 4 outer petals. I had said it was 6, but I don't think it would need it. So all you need to do is add and this is how the final look should be. Again, if you wanted to add these, you can. I don't see them necessary, but I find this to be perfect. This is the bottom. So I hope this video was useful to you, and thanks for watching.